Go ahead.
I don't know how to open it. Ooh, I got a Transformer! Ooh! Optimus Prime!
Oh, it's not a Santa Claus one?
Oh, Optimus Prime. Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah, baby. There, let me open it while you open another one. Optimus Prime.
Oh, yeah. Look on the, I want to look on the back. Oh, he's a cool. He's cool.
You mean you don't have this guy?
No. Can I open this one?
No.
I can open this one.
Does it have your name?
Uh-huh, right there.
Okay.
Now, how do I open this? Oh, yeah. Now let's see. Oh.
What is it? Oh, that reading?
Is it pretty?
The reading pen?
Yep, it's the reading pen. I needed this.
You need that? Show it to me.
Reading.
Wait.